Looking for the best golf balls to elevate your game? In this video, I'll share the top golf balls on Amazon for Titleist. Perfect for golfers of all levels, from beginners to seasoned pros. Let's tee off. Offering a great balance of affordability and performance, this ball is designed for advanced golfers. It features high launch and low drag, providing excellent accuracy and spin control. A budget-friendly option that provides a soft feel and consistent performance. It's ideal for beginners or high-handicap golfers looking for distance without compromising comfort. Designed for players seeking maximum distance, this ball features Reactive IQ cover technology for enhanced control around the greens and fast ball speeds off the tee. Known for its soft feel and forgiving nature, this ball provides great distance and exceptional control around the green. Best for low-handicap golfers who want better performance across their game. The ProView is a top-performing ball with low spin off the tee and excellent greenside control. It's perfect for players seeking premium feel and precision, ideal for serious golfers.